Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm quite happy and excited to talk about my new course launching in Udemy on end-to-end test automation testing of AI apps with RAG, ChatBots, MCP servers, and AI agent with DeepEval. It's been almost 10 years of teaching in Udemy, and this is my 40th course that I have released in Udemy. And this is something that I wanted to be very, very special for the community. And that's the reason why this course is going to be talking about something that you are going to be doing the testing of an AI applications in such a way that you are going to be using all the modern cutting edge technology in this particular course. Well, you know that all the companies are now moving towards AI, like large language models, MCP servers, AI agents. Now companies are not really building a chatbots which are actually less knowledgeful. Now they are using the power of the large language model to get you the detail of their products in such a way that you don't even need a human assistance for that matter. The chatbot will answer those questions for you. It uses the power of RAG as well as the vector databases, semantic search, embedding models to get you the actual information that you are looking for. And in order to test these systems, we need to make sure that our classical system testing that we have using Playwright or Selenium, it's not going to work really. So this course is going to address the pain point of how you can test a modern application in order to ensure that you test everything in a more sophisticated and more realistic fashion. That's the reason why in this entire course, I have actually built the application from the complete ground up, and we are going to be testing this application. So you're not going to be building the application, but you're going to be testing this application that we are talking about. So you can see that this is the application that we have got, which is going to be running within our local machine using the power of the local large language models as well. And it's also going to be using the embedding model, which is also running within our local machine itself. And you can see that we have got a lot of different products. And if you go to any of the product, it's going to show you the product details. So you can go and choose the product. It's pretty much like an e-cart, like an e-commerce application. You can go and select that and it's just going to work. Right? But the thing is, this product itself has got a lot of details inside it. So if you're going to go and click on any of the product, let's say, for example, go and click the view details, you can see that you will see this, you might also like over there. So these informations are coming from the semantic search of the AI systems, which is coming from the RAG system really. And this information will always change based on what item that you choose. I have not really programmed any of these, so these are automatically coming based on the product that is being chosen in this particular UI. And if you're going to go and search for any of the elements over here, you are going to see that it's going to be an AI search comes in. For example, if I'm going to go and search for PC with keyword over here, you can see that this is an AI search which is going to come in, and you can see all the PC elements are going to come in over there. And we can also see that there is a chatbot. So this is one of the most important thing that we are going to be testing in this entire application. So you can actually ask a lot of questions over here. Like you can ask it to go and compare two items to find a best item for you which you are looking for in this particular category. You can also do add the element in the cart automatically, check out the item from the cart, and also you can increase the item in the cart, decrease the item in the cart, and also you can ask suggestion about the cart items, and you can also ask anything that you have in this particular product. So everything you can do from this particular chatbot itself. The good thing is this extension is something that you can access from the MCP server, and you can use the same exact thing with your cloud desktop as well. So this is the power of the AI application that we have got, because MCP server can extend this application to be accessed from the outside of this particular application in such a way that you can easily use it with other applications that you love. Well, as that said, I'm going to say, can you build a sports equipment for me? So I'm just going to say sports equipment over here. Well, it's going to show me all the sports equipment that the site actually has got, and you can see that it's just bringing me all the items that we have in the sports equipment category. So you can go and choose these elements that you wanted to select as well, and then you can add it in the cart. And similarly, you can ask like, build me a gaming PC, and if I'm going to hit enter, then it is going to interactively show you all the PC element that it has got over here. So you can go and choose the item that you want over here, and you can go and add the items in the cart. The items will be added in the cart for you over there. And now you can say, remove all the items from my cart. And if I'm going to hit enter, then it's going to go and clear all the items from the cart. It can also update the item in the cart. It can also remove a specific item from the cart. You can do whatever that you want. You can do everything from here. Now the challenge in here is, how can we test this particular AI chatbot that we have got, and how can we test the MCP servers that we can extend it with the Cloud Desktop or any other third-party tools, and how can we test the AI search that we have got over here. So these are the challenges that we are going to be incurring pretty soon, because now companies are using the power of large language model by extending all of these by powered by AI pretty soon. And this course actually addresses that exact similar problem. And I have got this similar feedback from you while I was talking with the Chennai discussion in Chennai, India, where you all came to me and told that, Karthik, you know what? We have a lot of courses from you, like 7 courses in Udemy on AI, but in our companies, we are implementing to test these applications. So how can we implement a better framework level AI test code? This course actually addresses that exact similar problem. So we are going to be testing all of these applications, and we'll be using the entire power of the DeepEval and the Confident AI to see what are the different matrices that we can write to do the evaluation. So you can see that we have got a lot of different matrices that we have done in this entire course, and you can see the entire run that we have done over here, which is quite a big milestone that we have achieved in this entire course. We have did something like the custom matrices like add cart confirmation, evaluation, answer relevancy, bias matrices, bundle diversity, and then cart content awareness. And there are 31 more evaluation criteria that I have done over here in this particular course. So we'll be doing all of these evaluation in this particular course, and you'll also learn how you can do the testing of each and every test cases. So every time you're going to be asking any of the question over here as a user, you're going to be getting the answer, and then you'll be getting the answer on the subsequent questions. On all these evaluation, you can do using multi-turn conversations like a chatbot conversations. So you can see here the user is asking the question, and you're going to be getting the answer over here from the chatbot like assistant, and then you're again asking as a user, and then you're getting an answer over here, and we are doing an evaluation whether the answer coming from the chatbot is exactly what you are looking for. And we'll be doing those evaluation using the local large language model running in Ollama. So this course is quite bombastic, and as that said, I'm going to quickly show you what is going to be the content of this particular course. So start off with the getting started off the DeepEval, and then we'll be using all the evaluation local large language model as a judge within our local large language model running within our local machine in Ollama. And then we'll be using the power of LangChain to build a mock application so that you can understand how things work. And later on, we'll also be understanding the building blocks of test cases, the data sets, goldens, and how you can publish a big data set with over 6,000 plus records. And then you can use it for your evaluation purposes. And you will also understand different matrices which DeepEval has got, or 50 plus matrices, along with some custom matrices that you can build yourself. And then we'll understand the end-to-end testing of the application with PyTest and DeepEval. And we also have got a crash course of PyTest in this course. So you can learn PyTest from the complete basic so that you can use the power of PyTest while you do the evaluation of your application. We'll also start learning the advanced PyTest patterns and automation code, like a framework level structure of the code, which you can use it for reusability across all the tests. And then we'll be talking about how we can do the testing of the conversational chatbots with the multi-turn evaluation. And then we'll also be testing the RAG systems and MCP servers. So everything is going to be covered in this course. And this is the application that we are seeing over here is going to be tested. And this, as you can see, it's not like any classical application. You have got the backend along with SQL Server and ChromaDB with embedding queries being done. And because this course is something which is pretty much like an extension of many of my courses in Udemy, that I have got 7 courses already, and this is my 8th course in Udemy on AI. You can see that this course, if you are familiar with my other courses, this course, technology and tech stack, if you see here, it's going to be very, very relevant to you if you have already learned the other courses. If you have not learned, it's still not a problem, because this course will talk everything from the complete ground up. Well, as that said, I'm quite excited to see how this course is going to be helping you to write all the test code that you wanted to write using the PyTest, and how you can do a lot of different evaluations and multi-level testing of your AI applications and AI agents and chatbots and MCP servers. With that, you are going to see how amazingly you can be future-proofing yourself to learn things which are going to be upcoming in the market. Well, as that said, I'm quite excited to see you joining this course and learning the new technologies and stuff which you are going to be testing pretty soon in organizations. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Catch you in the next one.